Hello, this is me, Ali Raza, and I'm an owner of Google Partner Company. Me, myself, is Google Ads, Bing Ads, and Meta Ads certified and SEO certified advertising professional. And today, I wanted to tell you regarding two big mistakes which are causing you a fortune on Google Ads. Now, you may be surprised on what exactly it is. Let me tell you that these two are small mistakes but causing a huge loss. And when I will tell you in detail, you may see like, oh, this mistake. But guys, I have tested in hundreds of audits of different clients. I have found this mistake to be present in all of those accounts. Now let's get started on finding out those two small mistakes which are costing you a fortune on Google Ads. And these are the two small mistakes, and that is enabling search partners in your search network and enabling display network in your display network partners in your display network. Now, when you enable, I have seen that majority of the people have enabled it already, and I recommend you that from now on immediately exclude those traffic. The only advantage of that traffic is that you are getting cheap traffic but not converting. You may have to see high CPL, high cost per lead, low conversions, reducing your conversion mark overall on your Google Ads account, plus reduce your quality score. These mistakes are due to this. So why enabling it? Now people may see on where it is. So if I open, this is a standard Google Ads account dashboard. What you have to do is to go into your campaign over here. You may see a settings type like over here. Go to your settings, and in your settings you may see that even this client is doing the same mistake of enabling include search partners, which I do not recommend at all. Most of the people enable those. First of all, I do not recommend running search network and display network together in one campaign. I recommend to create a separate campaign for search network and display network, and then kindly exclude the search partners or exclude the Google display network partners. What happens with this is that the search partners are those who have installed the Google search on their own website. I have practically seen very poor conversions. Now, I'm not saying this based on a single client result, but based on hundreds of clients audit, and we have significantly increased the sale just by sorting these two errors. So these two errors, do not take them easy. And with display network, these display network partners are those who you may see over here that this is going to cost you a lower cost, but again you may see very poor conversions with display network partners. So strongly recommend you to remove the display network from over here, because the display network are the partners who have installed the Google Ads on their website. So I do not recommend to enable this. But all in all, if you are going to enable the display network, create a separate campaign for Google display network and focus on creating the. I have seen somewhat good results with display network only campaigns, but these are only display network campaigns. Do not ever run combined. So run them separately. If all you have to run a display network campaign, which ideally may be a very good choice when you are trying to run retargeting campaign, but create a separate display network only campaign, and only then you will be able to see good results with it. So I hope you like this, and make sure to follow this and check and let me know how much results were improved after following my advice. So I hope you like this video. In case if you need Google Ads audit, setup or management services, you can hire me and my team through the link in the description. I hope you like this video. Make sure to subscribe to my channel so that whenever I create a new video, you guys get a notification regarding this. So yeah, take care and bye bye.